Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A13 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. From the screen here, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select receive on this Android and send on Samsung. Over here you need to choose no thanks and tap on close this window. Then click on all of those dots on your Samsung device and choose send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only this one song. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can always just input this key here as well and tap on receive to connect our devices. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!